Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get anime clips for your edits step by step. This is super helpful if you're making AMVs, TikToks, or any type of anime content. So let's get started. First, open your YouTube and search Goku Twixtor clip on YouTube. You'll see a lot of clips already available. And remember, you can replace Goku with any other anime character you want to find clips of. But YouTube isn't the only place. There are also websites made just for anime clips. Let me show you a few. First one is Ring Wit de Twixtor. Here you'll find a big library of anime clips with smooth slow motion effects, also called Twixtor edits. It even has raw clips without subtitles, vertical versions for shorts, and sometimes special packs. It's great if you want clean, stylish footage ready for editing. The second site is Anime Clips Raw. This one is focused on raw clips. That means clean anime footage without effects or text on screen. It's perfect if you want to apply your own transitions, effects, and coloring. Think of it like a blank canvas for editors. Another one is Ring Wit de Clips. Similar to Ring Wit de Twixtor, but more focused on subtitle-free and vertical clips. If you're making edits for Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or TikTok, this site is super useful. Finally, there's Anime Clips Online. This site gives you pre-cut anime clips in original resolution and frame rate. No logos, no watermarks, just clean files that are easy to download. It's one of the fastest ways to grab ready-to-use clips for editing. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any update.